The HK-S45 welded tube mill line is designed and developed by a team of Vietnamese experts and engineers specifically for producing various types of steel pipes used in the construction, furniture, and household appliance industries. The tube mill line consists of 14 machine units. The uncoiler unit, the shear and butt welding unit, 3 units for guiding the steel into the storing section, the material storage, 2 units for guiding the steel out of the horizontal cage, the forming unit, the high-frequency welding unit, the sizing unit, the straightening unit, the hot cutting unit, the finished product table unit. The line starts operating from the uncoiler unit, which is flexibly designed to hold 2 steel coils, allowing the operator to adjust the hydraulic coil according to the need. Next, the steel passes through the shear and butt welding unit, which operates semi-automatically. In the guiding units, the material is precisely directed into the horizontal storage cage. The horizontal cage has a capacity of holding approximately 4 tons of material. All guiding rollers in the section are foam-coated to protect the steel and prevent scratches. After exiting the storing section, the material is directed to the forming unit, where all the vertical and horizontal rollers are thermally processed and polished to increase hardness and smoothness. After forming, the steel pipe is led to the high-frequency welding machine. This unit uses MOSFET high-frequency welding technology for welding the pipes. It also includes a trimming device to smooth the welded seam. The steel pipe then passes through the cooling unit to reduce the temperature. In the sizing unit, the steel pipe is adjusted synchronously by a screw system, making it easy and precise to adjust the molds. Next, the steel pipe is led to the cutting unit. The cutting table is controlled by a programmable logic controller, PLC, with high accuracy, controlling the cutting speed and pipe length. The cutting unit also features magnetic sensors that automatically shut down if safety is compromised. After cutting, the steel pipe is transferred to the finished product table unit, which is controlled by an inverter, allowing for flexible speed adjustment. Its task is to deliver the finished pipes to the bundling position. The HK-S45 tube mill line, with its exclusively designed technology, offers stable operation, high accuracy, safety, ease of operation, contributing to optimal efficiency for investors. Contact us via the hotline at +84 909 073 505 for consultation about the welded tube mill line, or refer to the products on our website www.hky.com.